The net ionic equation of hydrobromic acid with calcium hydroxide is. For this problem, what we're going to do is begin by writing out the balanced equation, which would just be HBr plus calcium hydroxide, making, it's an acid-base neutralization, so we know water is going to be a product, and calcium bromide would be the salt. Now to balance this, I have to put a 2 in front of here to balance the bromides, and 2 in front of there to balance the hydrogens. However, we're not asked for the balanced equation, so I need to get to my net ionic equation. To do that, I'm going to start off by first writing the complete ionic equation. So HBr is a strong acid that would separate to H plus 1 and Br minus 1, and there are 2 of each of those in there, plus a calcium ion with 2 hydroxide ions, making our 2 water, plus our calcium ion and our 2 bromide ions. There's your complete ionic equation. To get to the net ionic equation, we need to remove the species that are found on both sides in the same form. So we can see bromide is an ion at the beginning and end, hasn't changed. Calcium is an ion at the beginning and end and hasn't changed. That leaves us with our 2 hydrogen ions plus our 2 hydroxide ions, making our 2 water molecules. This is our net ionic equation, but it can be simplified by removing a common factor out of each of the coefficients, and that leaves us with H plus 1 plus OH minus 1, giving us H2O. And that would be your net ionic equation.